Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B, and I got something in the mail today. Oh my gosh! You know from the title, anyways. This is a mystery box unboxing. Woo, woo, woo! First one of the year. Okay? First one of the year. My little Gatorade right here. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Kayla B. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you want to, support your girl, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload, and also hit that bell. Don't mind this. I went to the doctor today. I have deep veins, so they're really hard to find my veins, so they end up just going in my hand. So I have one right here, and one right here. Yeah, I told them I had deep veins. The girl's like, it's okay, I'm gonna get them. I'm very, very good. And she was like, your veins, they're deep and they move. I mean, like, I told her that they move, like they're there, but if you don't get it right away, it goes away. Like, it goes away. My veins are weird. My body is weird. Anyways, this is a Juvias Place of Mystery box. $15, only $15. And you're supposed to get, like, I guess, like, $40 worth of product. I don't know. I'll link everything down below in the description box, also the total and all that extra goodness. Also, I will link my social medias down, so if you want to contact with your girl, also if you want to see your girl on TikTok, then it will be down below. But yeah, let's just get into this. The reason how I heard about this box was from Leanne. I will leave her channel down below or in the cards, whichever one comes first. But the first thing I got was the same thing that she got. I only saw two variations, and the only variation that I saw was with the gloss. So I'm kind of very, very, very disappointed, because kind of don't like the shade that she got in the lip liner. I kind of wanted cola. Hopefully I get cola. Hopefully, fingers crossed. But yeah, you guys know I really don't like Juvia's Place eyeshadow formula. I mean, everybody, it works for some people. It doesn't work for the other people. It doesn't work with my eyelids. I try to make it work. I know how to make it work, but in my go fast thing, I don't want to keep on trying to make something work. I want to just easy peasy, just go on my eyes, blend it out, just here, there, and that's it. This is the packaging. I like this packaging. Oh, it's like a card. And those are shades. I really like the shades. Also, their formulas is also good for blushes. So I could use a nice purple blush like this and a nice red blush like this. I have their blush palette, so I kind of have certain colors, but they're like deeper, and the pink is deeper. But I could use this as blushes. I can mix these two and use a highlighter. I could use that to tone that down. So their palettes are very universal, and also they work for everything. Like if you want it for blush, if you want it for eyes, it works. So I like that. I like that about the brand. Also, their pans are like super duper big. I can't wait to try this. See if I like their formula again. Wow, I just put this in there and look already. Wow, already I'm messing it up. Already. The next thing, yep, Scorpio, just like what she got. This is a Black and Plum lip liner. If you know me, cola is like a deep chocolatey brown, and obviously for what I'm wearing, that is what I like. Okay, I like deep chocolatey browns. I like chocolatey browns. I like browns, period. Plums I wear occasionally, but do I wear it all the time? No, only if I'm wearing a pink lipstick. Do I wear pink lipstick that much? No. So this is like, but I'll try it out. I'll test their formula, but it's just, I'm gonna put you over here. But their liner is $10. So I know that for a fact, because I've been really eyeing cola liner, but I just didn't want to pay for shipping, and I should have gotten it with the box. But I was like really hoping that I would get cola liner. I got this highlighting brush. Again, The only thing that variation is the lip gloss. So yeah, this is a highlighter brush. I mean, I think she got a cheek brush, or did she get a highlighter brush? I'm not sure, but I know that this is a highlighter brush and it's very soft. But the bristles are white, and I usually don't use white bristle brushes because they're easy to get dirty and easy to get stained. There's like some hairs sticking out too. I mean, I could always wash it and reshape it, but that just makes me sad. Almost dropped it. That just made me sad. The last product. You're supposed to only get 4 products in here, and they're supposed to be like really hype. You know, you're supposed to be happy with your products. I'm happy with the brush. Eyeshadow palette, I like the formula. I knew I was gonna get an eyeshadow palette. I'm happy with that. This is the same lip gloss that she got. Okay, I got the same variation. This is the Juvia's Place Glass Gloss in Electric. It's electric. You can feel it. It's electric. Boogie, boogie, boogie. That's my sugar, honey. Especially family reunions, cookouts. What? Okay. They really did it with the seal. They had a seal on this, and then they have a seal plastic over it. Like, you know your product is not tampered with. I am not gonna open this right now. I'm gonna wait. But yeah, that's all I can say is yeah. Because I'm like, I don't know. I'm doing for Black History Month, I'm doing a black on brand full face of black on brands. So I might do these 2 together. Or I could do this with a Pat McGrath lipstick and then this on top. Oh, I already know my combo, and I could use that palette, show you how I make it work. Use that brush, Pat McGrath concealer, because I love that Pat McGrath concealer. It's time for it to go though soon. I really hate that it expires like real quick, more than other concealers. I was gonna use my Ace Beauté lip liners, but I mean, it is what it is. I have a blush palette from Juvia's Place, but I can also use my Mented blush. Oh, I got my Mented lip gloss. I have so many freaking black owned brand lip products. Lip products is what I live for. So it's like, I don't know which one to use yet, but it is there. That's the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I paid $15 for stuff that I really wouldn't use, because this gold lip gloss, I was eyeing it, but I wasn't eyeing like I wanted to buy it. I wanted to buy the other ones, the pinkish one, and the brown beige like colored lip gloss. Those are the ones that I was looking for, and I was eyeing the brush. So the brush is like the only thing that is like I really was like here for out of everything, was the brush. I mean, I'm gonna to try the lip liner formula. I always wanted to try the lip liner formula. I always wanted to try the gloss formula. But I was too, like, I wanted to get an Ulta. Then when it came to Ulta, it never came back. Like, it's only on Ulta's website. So I don't want to pay that shipping. But even if I put it in things that, even if I do it for in stores, no stores have it. So they cannot get it. And they can't fulfill the order. So I still have to pay shipping. But yeah, so that's it. That's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Video right here, head right here. First mystery box of the year. I got some good stuff. I'm not complaining. I got some good stuff, but it's just not something that I would buy from their website. I would buy another backup of their foundation. Let's put it like that. I would put another backup foundation, because I love their foundation. If they came out with a new blush palette, I would buy another blush palette. I would buy another blush. Single blush from them. I would buy a lipstick or the lip liner or the lip gloss that I just talked about. And I would buy that highlighting brush. So I'm not mad. I got the highlighting brush that I really wanted. I got the brush that I really wanted. I got to try out their gloss formula and try out their lip liner formula, even though they're not the colors that I really wanted. But, you know, I got to try. I get to try it out. I get to try it out. And I get to have another palette from them and see if I really can bang with the formula, because it's like some of the palettes I love it and some of the palettes I don't, and sometimes I love it so much and then I try it again and I don't love it. So it's like it's a roller coaster with me and Juvia's place. It's a roller coaster with me and Juvia's place. With Ace Beauty, it was no roller coaster. I was like, nah. I was like, you know what? People like it. I was like, that's how she finesse it. Let me try. No. Every single thing was no. But Juvia's place is a roller coaster, so like, let me try this palette, see if I like it. Anyways, everything linked down below.